Hi everyone, really sorry for this inconvenience. There was some technical issue, I was not able to connect. Let the students join, then we'll start off with our class. Please just let me know whether the audio and everything is clear to you. You're able to watch the screen as well. Please just confirm on the chat sections. There are 3 students. Let's wait for others. Hi everyone, hi. Please confirm whether everything is clear or not. Please just confirm it to me. There was some technical issue. I was not able to get connected. I was trying since 7:45, but I don't know what happened. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start off with our class. So this particular class is related to the crash course that we are going to start from the 11th of December. So this particular class would help you understand, or it would give you an overview regarding what are we actually going to cover. It would go well. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. Now it might be okay. Please confirm whether it's clear or not now. Hello, 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 hello. Am I audible now? Yes. Am I audible now? Yes. Is the voice clear now? Okay. So let's start off. So this particular class is a demo class for you all. It would help you out to understand कि जो हमारा course start होने वाला है from the 11th of December, what it would be all about and how, and Google, that is the Android applications. So you can download it from both of the sets. It would help you out to prepare better. We have a lot of contents available on our application, so you can is a major role in our preparation is the revision. If you along with that, you'll get a lot of previous year regular sessions like what is the main point that was asked, or how do you actually need to proceed in a specific unit, because we know if you are preparing for 8 to 9 months or maybe more, then sitting again and revising becomes for the students to enroll in. So get this 10% off discount, enroll in the course as soon as possible because it starts on 11th December, that is day after tomorrow. So make sure that you enroll in the course. There would be regular doubt sessions, very important again. Why? Because you must be having a lot of doubts, you must be having a lot of important things that you need to decide, that you need to move forward with. So clearing out your doubts would be again easier for you. You can come and you can clear out your doubts with us. Then personalized attention would be given to you, like even if you are having any kind of specific doubt, you can reach out to me personally. We'll be having all of the doubts cleared in the best manner possible. It would be an interactive presentation sessions for you all, and there would be a lot of tips and tricks would be given to you in order to solve the questions, because at the end of the day what is important, that you need to solve the questions better, right? And for that you need to have a guidance, you need to have an expert person with yourself to help you out in this area. So I'll help you out in the best manner possible for revising, for preparing for the upcoming examination in the best manner possible. So the target that we are setting is that we'll be starting off with our course on 11th of December and we'll try to cover it up by 11th of January. So within a month you'll be able to cover up all the 60 lectures. You'll be able to revise very nicely in a structure, so it won't affect your specific schedule that you must be having for the time being. Like if you are in your masters or if you are doing any kind of job, so you can give complete attention to your job and your masters as well. So early morning lectures would help you out. It would save your time most importantly. So we'll try to cover up the complete course within 30 days itself. In addition to that, after this 11th of January, best thing would be that you would be able to self prepare as well. Like for 1 month, prepare with us, revise with us in the best manner possible, and then you can revise, you can have your self preparation time for the same. We'll be covering 12 units in total. Except for animal physiology, all the units would be covered, every single unit. We have excluded this. Otherwise, except for this, every single unit would be covered for you all in the best manner possible. We'll be having structured lectures, we'll be having regular doubt sessions, so it would be very beneficial for you. And in addition, why are we calling it 2.0? Because in the last batch which was conducted, it was from March to June. In that course, we had our topper Shriyasi Das. She had all India rank of 51. So helping you all out in the same manner, we are starting off with crash course 2.0. So make sure you take this advantage. Make sure you start off with the structured revision, with smart revision from Botany Insider. It would help you out for sure. In addition to that, all the recordings would be shared with you on the application itself. You can join in the live class every single day. Link would be there with you all. You can join in there. You'll be given all the possible tips, all the possible tricks to solve the questions, to how to actually analyze a question, and how to actually approach a question, because that is very important. So these are the main things about our course. We'll be covering 12 units in total. If you have any doubt, any problem that you are facing for understanding the main scenario behind the same, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll discuss a small topic like how we are actually going to study in the exam in our course. So you can have a gist of the same with the help of that slide. In the same manner, every single slide would be prepared for you all in a precise and in the minimized manner, so that you can, how can you revise with the lesser time, plus using and getting all the points in your hand. So if you have any doubt, any problem, please ask. Yes, we have 9 students in the class. Any doubt, anything you want to ask regarding the course? It starts on 11th of December. So you can enroll in the same. It is so that you can have time for your self preparation. You have time for analyzing your complete syllabus, preparing well, practicing, so it won't hinder your revision. So in a way, it is adding on in your revision itself, because revision is the ultimate key to get into any particular examination. And this crash course, revision crash course 2.0 would help you out in the same manner. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please ask, then we'll discuss a small topic. You can write down your doubts in the comment sections. Over here, we can solve it out over here, so that we can start off with the topic. Any doubt, anyone? Yes. Anything you want to ask? Okay, let's discuss the topic. like how we are actually going, like see, all the topics would be discussed with you except for animal physiology. We'll focus upon all the most important topics of all the units according to the previous year question analysis. Okay, and all the basics would be covered so that you can have a good grip over your basics as well. So make sure that you enroll in that, make sure that you take the advantage of this particular course. Now, first thing, I expect you to have a bit of information with yourself, like if we are preparing or if we are starting off with what is about the proteins, so I would at least expect you to have this knowledge of what a protein is all about, because it's a revision crash course, so you must be having some kind of back knowledge. Okay, and in addition to that, we'll be having in total 60-hour course, so I would ask you, for getting the best benefit out of the same, have the each lecture done at least 4 times. It would help you revise in the best manner possible. So make sure that you use the lecture properly. Now see, very first thing that when we start to prepare is, first thing is to clear out our main thing, that is to clear out the syllabus. You have already done that. So stage 1 is already completed. Now the stage 2 is revising. For this, Botany Insider would help you. Then we have the recalling, and finally the practice. So revise with us, recall in your free time, and practice every single day. So these are the 3 main components that you have to focus upon during these last few days that we have before our exam, because there are higher chances that we could have our exam in the February month. So you have at max 50 to 60 days in total. Use this strategy, use these steps now, so that you can prepare well, so that you can perform well in the examination. Okay, now let's talk about, or let's discuss a simple topic that we are going to, or the way we are going to explain every single thing over there. Okay, let's start off. Anything you want to ask, you can ask, otherwise we'll discuss a small topic over here. Okay, let's discuss about this particular flowchart. So see, when we start to prepare, or when we start to analyze any specific topic, when you start to revise any specific topic, what is the first thing that you should have? You should have the first thing that you should have the basics cleared, right? And in that, what is more important, that you need to have a good framework in your mind. So talking about the same thing, in biochemistry, we have 2 main segments. First is what? First is the biomolecules. Second is what? Second is the living organisms, right? So if you look into the biomolecules, biomolecules could be of 2 main categories. First category is the simple molecules, and the second category is the complex molecules. When the various simple molecules start to combine together, when they start to form various kinds of bonds together, they lead to complex molecules, right? So that is what is the main gist of the same. So you have the carbohydrates, which when bound together, which when joined together, they lead to the formation of polysaccharides. We have nucleotides, when they bind together, they form the polynucleotides. When we have the amino acids, when they are joined together by the help of peptide bonds, they form the proteins. And others, we have the complex molecules in the lipids. Now these proteins and lipids, they are the main components of what? They are the main components of the membranes, right? Now what are these membranes? These membranes are the outer boundary of what? They are the outer boundary of our organelles, right? And where are these organelles found? Let's discuss. So you have the living organisms. There are 3 main aspects of living organism. First is the kingdom, that is to which particular group do they lie. So they lie to the specific group depending upon the difference in their morphology, right? Then we have the nutrients. So why are the nutrients required for the living organism? For the energy giving process, right? Because every organism require energy to survive, or it require energy to be able to like sustain in the life, right? So for that energy is required. What are the living organisms actually composed of? They are composed of cells. Now cells are basically two types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic, correct? In prokaryotic we call them as a simple cell. Eukaryotic are the one which are the complex cell. Prokaryotic have DNA and the cytoplasm with them, and this DNA is not nucleus bound, most important. In the complex cells, what do we have? We have the organelles, we have the nucleus bound DNA, and we have the cytoplasm. Now these organelles have their outer boundaries called as the membranes. What are membranes composed of? They are composed of complex molecules. How are these complex molecules formed? They are formed by the help of simple molecules. So you can see that there is a connection between the living organisms and the biomolecules, and this is what we have to actually study in the complete biochemistry unit. So is this particular main framework clear to everyone? Is there any doubt, any kind of question you want to ask? You can ask, otherwise I'll move forward. Is there any doubt? Anyone? Yes. Anything you want to ask? Okay, I don't think there's a doubt with anyone. That's absolutely fine. So this is how we are actually going to proceed in the complete preparation, in the complete crash course 2.0 that we are going to start from 11th of December, right? The course starts on 11th. If you wish to enroll, I have provided the okay, thank you Pravalika. If you wish to enroll, I have provided the complete description information for the same in the description box. There's a direct link by which you can go and directly enroll in the course. So if you wish, you can go, you can enroll in the course right away. There's an extra 10% off discount running on for the course itself. You can visit our application. There are various other courses running. You can enroll in those courses. Okay, so if you have any doubt, anything you want to ask related to the course, you can. Otherwise, this was about the demo class for our upcoming course. It starts on 11th. Enroll in the same, for sure it would be helpful for you. Give yourself that extra boost of revision, give yourself that structured revision, most importantly, because it would help you out to prepare better. It would help you out to perform better in the upcoming examination. Okay, do not forget that the course starts on 11th. Remember the date. At 8 we'll be having our very first class. There's a group for YouTube on, okay, you're welcome. So there's a group on WhatsApp. As and when you enroll, you'll be able to join in that group, and every day you'll be getting the information regarding the same. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining in. Let's meet on 11th. Those of you who were in the class, I wish to see you all in the course. Join in there and let's start preparing nicely. Bye everyone.